You think buying a power sale property means you can score a huge discount? This year, mortgage delinquencies in Ontario are at an all-time high, which makes sense being that we're 5 years after 2020-2021, the historically low interest rates that we saw back then. So mortgages are coming up for renewal now after a 5-year term. And if you think buying a power sale home means that you can get a great deal, you're not alone. But here's what most buyers may not realize or may not know about buying a power sale property here in Canada. Every week I meet people searching for foreclosures or power sales in Canada, and they're convinced that they can save thousands of dollars. But here's what you might not realize. In the U.S., foreclosures often mean a bargain because banks can sell the property at a discount. In Canada, it's a whole different story. Here, the banks have to sell the properties at fair market value, not at a discount. And that means if a property is worth $1 million, then it has to sell for $1 million. And any extra profit above and beyond what the mortgage is owed to the lender or the bank, after that gets paid off, the surplus gets returned to the original owners. It's not kept by the bank. So those amazing deals that you've heard about, they're very rare, and there's more. When you buy a regular home, your realtor protects you with clauses in your purchase offer. So if the appliances break or the HVAC doesn't work when you get the keys to your new home, you're protected. When you buy a power sale property, you buy it in as-is condition. There are no guarantees, no warranties, no repairs. If something's broken, it's your problem and therefore your risk. If you want a smooth, safe buying experience without the hidden risks and costs, there are ways to do that and still make sure that you get the best price possible on whatever home you buy. So let's talk about your dream home, your must-haves, your wishes, your priorities, and then find the right property that meets all of your checkboxes. And then we discuss how we're going to negotiate the best deal for you. If you have questions about buying power sale properties here in Ontario or in Canada, send me an email and let's arrange a time to chat. Mike@shusterrealestate.com.